Hi, I'm Adrienne, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to play the beginning line of Silent Night on the flute in B-flat major. So in order for us to be able to play it, we should probably know a B-flat major scale. So now I'll begin by teaching you the 7 pitches in the scale. So the first pitch in the scale is going to be B-flat. In order to play B-flat on the flute, what you're going to do is you're going to take your thumb, and there's a button here on the back, you're going to rest it on there. Then you're going to put your first finger down on this one, put your finger here on this one, and then put your pinky on this little one right here. So that's the finger. So remember, you have thumb on the back and then these 3. And that's how you get your B flat. Now here's how it sounds. So in order to play the C on the flute, all you got to do is put your finger here, your index finger, and place it on this button. And then you're going to place your pinky on this one. And then you'll get your C. For the D, you're going to put your finger on that button on the back. Then you're going to press down the first 3 keys up here, like this. And then you're also going to do these 3 down here, 1, 2, 3. And then you won't need to put your finger on that one, so you'll just have these. So the thumb on the back and then these 6 fingerings. And then you'll get your D. To get the E flat for the scale, you're going to do the same fingering as you did for D, but then you are going to put down the little key here. So remember, your thumb on the back, these 6 fingers, and then your pinky here. And then you'll get your E flat. For the 5th scale degree, or the F in the scale, you're going to put your thumb on the back, and then you're going to put down the 3 on the top up here, and then you're going to put down your first finger here along with your pinky on the little key. So it's going to look like that. And then that's your F. The 6th scale degree, or the G in the scale, is going to have a similar fingering to F. You're going to put your thumb on the back, the first 3 up here, and then you're just on your pinky. So it's going to be the 3 on top, and then this one. And that's the G. To get the leading tone in the scale, or the A, you're going to put your thumb on the button in the back, do your first 2 fingers here, and then put your pinky on this one. It looks like that. And then that's how you're going to get your A. It's just going to end with a B flat. So you're going to put your thumb back on the back, this first one, and your little pinky here. Like that. And here's the whole scale once you put it together. So now that I taught you the pitches in the scale, we're going to use some of those pitches to create the opening line of Silent Night. Here's the opening line to Silent Night. That pattern, F, G, F, D, is going to sound kind of like this. So that pattern, F, G, F, D, you're going to play it twice. Now I'm going to teach you the next part because it's a little different. Now the pitches of the next part are going to be C, C, A, and then B flat, F. So now that next part, C, C, A, B flat, F, is going to sound like this. So there it is, the opening line to Silent Night. Now here's the opening line to Silent Night. Taught you the B flat major scale, and I also taught you that opening line to Silent Night. You can probably figure out the rest of the song and even go on to figure out. If you find that the flute sounds kind of airy, you can always take it, put the hole to your mouth when you're opening, and then rotate it around to see where it sounds best. I will also now include a fingering chart that has all the pitches that you can play on the flute, so the ones in the B flat major scale will be there as well as others that we didn't touch on today. If you want even more teachers on the flute, you can look up Rebecca Fuller or Mr. Selfridge on YouTube. Hope you had fun learning flute with me. Goodbye!